Welcome to AmbitionBox. In this short guide, we'll show you how to use the new rating drill-down view on the AmbitionBox Employer Dashboard to explore deeper insights behind employee ratings. To get started, log in using your registered email ID. Enter the OTP sent to your inbox. Once you're logged in, go to the Rating Insights section and click on Rating Breakdown. Here you'll see the heat map view displaying ratings based on different departments, designations, and locations cohorts. To explore detailed insights, simply click on any rating inside the heat map. For example, if you click on the company culture rating for the software development department, the dashboard opens a detailed drill-down view specifically for that cohort. Inside the drill-down view, you can explore detailed insights for the selected cohort, including the overall rating, total responses received, comparison based on gender, employment status, rating trends over the last 12 months. You can also analyze the top 10 locations and designations based on employee ratings and response volume. This helps you move beyond overall ratings and uncover granular insights across specific employee groups. Whether it's a department, location, or designation, you can now identify trends and improvement areas with much greater clarity. If you face any issues, please reach out to us via support@ambitionbox.com. Thank you.